watch from here.
Where's Yet? Yes!
Whoopee! Peep! Stop! Wait for me! Slow down, little one. It's safe now. Come quickly. I found something amazing. What is it, Bee? Be careful. Peep, it's glowing. Just a peep. All right, we're coming. Peep, peep. You got it, little feather butt. I'm here. See? Nothing to it. Let's go make that soup. Seems clear this way.
Quack!
Be careful, little ones.
That's it, though.
It's magnificent. Oh, it's glowing. Look, spots are popping. Wow, a magic mushroom. Don't touch it. But it's sparkling. Keep pushing. Almost there. You did it. Eep. It's stuck deep. Those roots are holding on tight. We can uproot it.
Yes, let's do it.
All right, let's try. We've almost got it. Push harder. Ready? Whoa! Wow, we did it. Quack.
Oh no!
Don't worry. Almost there. Bonk.
Gasps. Gasps. Chuckles. Whoa!
Yay! Why won't you stay? There, little friend.
Peek.
Let us clean it first.
Okay.
Got it.
Peep, peep, wobble, peep.
You're doing well, you two. Be careful, little one.
Peep, peep.
It's okay.
Peep, peep.
Look what it can do. Wow, it's floating. How clever.
Peep, watch it.
Look what I can do.
Wow, look at that.
You're cleaning it so well. Scrub, scrub. Look, it's getting clean. Clean. Now it's ready.
Beep. Beep. Ta-da! Beep. Beep.
Meow. Peep. Not yet. We cook it. Careful with the mushroom. I can do it too. Not bad. Whoops. Faster, Charlie. Let's get to camp. Perfect spot. Let's get this cooking. Wow, so warm. Oh, it's stubborn. We can't push it in. Stubborn. How will we do this? Perhaps we can use the mushroom. You watch from here.
Where's Yet? Yes.
Perfect slice. Oh. Time for dinner. These are perfect. I did it. I'll get those twigs for the fire. Be careful, little one.
That, I'm almost there.
Just a little further, you can do it.
Look at him go.
Let me help you with that.
Wow, thanks, Cat.
Anytime, Duckling. Perfect placement. Look, it's glowing.
Hooray.
Wow, it's so bright.
Look at those sparks. Sparks.
Don't worry, I've got you. It's so pretty. All right, the pot is secure.
Let me just double check. Oh, looks good to me.
Water bowl.
It's too heavy. Let me help you, little friend. I got the water. Good job. I helped. Let's go make soup.
Easy, everyone. Slow steps now. Perfect, the water is in. Hooray, it's starting to steam. Wonderful, it's just right.
It's working.
Yes, it is.
Peep, plop, plop, plop. Peep, plop, peep.
Perfect swirl.
Good job.
Chirp, chirpster.
Maybe just a little. Just a little.
Oh boy.
Peep.
Looks ready.
Ha, ha.
Mmm. So good.
Here, more for the soup. Peep? Oh dear, let me help you. Thank you, Cat. Smells so good.
It's perfect.
I can't wait to try it. Let's add more magic. Peep, peep, clap, clap. All right, you two, slow down. We're almost done, Meow. Time to eat. Yum, crackers. For you.
Almost done, everyone.
Stay steady there.
Wow, it's so magical. Whoa. Try softly.
Sit. Beep, beep. Perfect.
This is delicious.
Oh no. Oh no. Meow. Meow. Try this.
Wow. Thank you. Here you go, Character C.
Oh, thanks, Character B.
Want some too, Character B?
Whoa, amazing. It's beautiful.
The forest likes our kindness. Don't worry, little one. We'll have a cozy dinner and adventure tomorrow.
I'm done.
Rest well, my friends.
Oops. Oh no.
Careful there, little one.
You did it. Good job.
Best soup ever. Tomorrow, another adventure.